Why are you doing that? There's no need. You look like a weirdo. You do. Well, you look like a weirdo when you do that. Well, I don't understand why you have to do that. I don't really see what you think that's going to get you. So, you can just calm down. How's that sound? Are you mad at me now? Are you? Well, I don't think that you need to be mad at me. Talk to Brian when he gets home. You can talk to him. Alright? Sound like a plan? Hey, does that sound like a plan? Fine, don't look at me. I don't care.